Today's video topic is how to take care of curly hair. Curly hair can be very difficult to manage. If you have curly hair, you know that it requires special care, as it is prone to tangles, frizz, and dryness. When you take care of curly hair properly, it can be healthy and beautiful. So here are a few tips to take care of your hair properly and to keep it healthy. Number 1. Use the right shampoo. The first step to taking care of curly hair is to shampoo it regularly with the right shampoo. Curly hair tends to be drier than straight hair, so it's important to use a shampoo that will hydrate your hair and scalp. Look for shampoos that contain natural ingredients like coconut oil or aloe vera, which will help to moisturize your hair. Avoid shampoos that contain sulfates, which can strip away natural oils and leave your hair feeling dry and brittle. Also, you should avoid shampooing every day, as this can make your hair very dry. You can shampoo every other day or one time every 3 days. Number 2. Use a conditioner. After shampooing, be sure to condition your hair. Conditioner will help to replenish lost moisture and prevent your hair from damage. Look for conditioners that contain natural ingredients like shea butter or avocado oil, which will help to hydrate and nourish your hair. Avoid conditioners that contain silicones, which can build up on your hair and cause it to look greasy. Number 3. Use natural oils. Curly hair can sometimes get dehydrated no matter what you do, so using natural oils can help you with this. You can use oils like coconut oil, argan oil, or olive oil. Number 4. Avoid hot water. When washing your hair, try to avoid hot water, as it can strip away natural oils from your hair, leaving it feeling dry and brittle. Cold water will help to seal in moisture and protect your hair from damage. Number 5. Choose a suitable brush or comb. When combing or brushing your hair, be sure to use a wide-toothed comb or brush. This will help to prevent your hair from tangling and breaking. Start at the bottom of your hair and work your way up to the roots. Be gentle when combing or brushing your hair, as too much force can cause damage. Number 5. Avoid heat damage. When using heat styling tools, be sure to use heat protective spray or serum before applying any heat. This will help protect your hair from damage. Also, when you are using a curling iron or flat iron, avoid using too much heat, as this can damage your hair. Things you should avoid. There are a few things you should avoid when taking care of curly hair. First, avoid using products that contain alcohol, as this can dry out your hair. Second, avoid using heat styling tools too often, as the heat can damage your hair. Finally, avoid using products that contain sulfates, as this can strip away natural oils and leave your hair feeling dry and brittle. As you can see, these were a few simple tips that you can follow to care for your curly hair. By following these tips, you can keep your hair healthy and looking its best.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.